Oh, what's this by the road? Oh no, some kittens need help. Let's get closer to check things out. A mama cat lying still beside two tiny kittens. Seeing this just breaks my heart. I need to check how the mama cat is doing. Luckily, her heart's still beating, but it's so weak. No wounds. Maybe she's just too hungry. She doesn't have the strength to move when I touch her. It seems like she's waiting for her fate. The two little kittens aren't much better off. Their cries are weak, and their skin and bones. They're trying to find milk from their mom. It's heartbreaking to see this little family. I need to get them to the vet right away. Gotta save the mama before it's too late. I'll do everything I can so these kittens won't end up orphans. Actually, I heard about these cats from a friend. I've driven down this road many times looking for them, and fate finally brought me to them. Let's hope everything will be okay. I can't stop worrying about the mama cat. These kittens are covered in dirt. Gotta clean them up a bit before seeing the vet. All right, let's go see the vet. The vet carefully examines the mama cat, starting with a checkup. Temperature is normal. The vet checks for any injuries. Then checks if she's eaten something bad. Thankfully, nothing dangerous. She's just exhausted from hunger. The kittens are being so good, not causing any trouble. To recover quickly, the best thing is to give her fluids and nutrients. She's so weak that finding a vein is a challenge. This vet is so professional, don't you think? Her poor little face. Just hoping she can pull through. Now the vet is checking on the kittens. They're so well-behaved and cooperative. Everything's okay. It's just a milk shortage problem. A bit of antibiotics will help them. About an hour later, the mama cat starts moving again. She's trying to find her kittens when she hears them cry, What a devoted mother. Giving her some more recovery meds. She's still not lying still. And the result is, she needs to go to the bathroom after all those fluids. Now she's behaving, lying still. Gotta clean up here before letting her rest. After over 2 hours, the fluids and nutrients are done. Let's remove the 4 and get ready to go home. Today's been exhausting, everyone. She's still weak, so I've prepared a special little home for her. It'll also make it easier to take care of her. Even though the danger's past, she's still very fragile. Might need to go back to the vet anytime. Seeing how tired she is, I'm sure everyone can understand. I'm preparing some food for her. This is fast food that I usually feed my other cats. They love this stuff. But she can't stand up to eat. I have to help her get up. But she doesn't want to eat, or maybe she's too weak to eat. I need to find another solution. Otherwise, she might not make it. I'm preparing some milk for the 2 little kittens. Their mom can't produce milk anymore. Since it's powdered milk, it's hard for them to drink. I have to give it to them bit by bit. They're used to their mom's milk, so this change is tough. It's hard for them to accept a different kind of milk. Taking care of one kitten is hard enough. And now I have 2. It's truly an incredible challenge. Fate has destined me to become a great father in the future. Haha. Now it's Mom's turn. Trying to get her to drink milk. If not, we'll have to go back to the vet. Luckily, she managed to drink a bit of milk, though not much. But that's a good sign. Drinking just a little milk, and her face is all messy. Gotta clean her up. She's not fully recovered. Getting sick would be awful. After a day of drinking milk, she's feeling better. Able to eat solid food now. Seems like food tastes better than milk. She's eating a lot and enjoying it. After a period of dedicated care, The mother cat and her 2 kittens have gradually recovered. Although they are still weak, they can now eat and feel better. It's been a challenging journey, but it's truly rewarding to see them getting healthy again. Niu Bain Siam Thi Kao Chayan Ne Hang You. I nam like GSBG Ju Chung Ti Lan Ti Tan Yu Young Viet. A Siam Ban Arch Ti Niu.